Hey, what up? This is Marcellus, aka Kane the Conqueror, and wanted to show off a little gift that I received today from one of my NFT projects. This one in particular is called the Sneakerheads. It's one I've been in for a while, and I currently own around 10 or 11 Sneakerheads. It's one of my favorite ones because of the art and the community. Very knowledgeable members, as a matter of fact. So many projects, they basically just take a lot of money and grab. Let's just be honest about it. But not too many actually have a lot of utility. But Sneakerheads, what they did several months back was they went ahead and dropped some mystery boxes that contained random items. And I received my mystery boxes, opened them up, and there was a lot of merchandise, some pins. You know, some people got some hardware wallets that actually were branded by Sneakerheads, you know, from Ledger. Some got Puma shoes. Those are really good, drop, and everybody was excited. So there was a little bit of a wait, but we found out why that wait was happening. They were transparent. There were mistakes that had, happened as far as the management process on getting everything done and logistics. But to our surprise, they were also doing something else, and that is they were also tagging the clothing, and I'll show you what those look like during this unboxing. Basically allows us to mint, in a way, our clothing to the blockchain, but it's more of an authentication thing. And I'm glad that there's a project out there that's pioneering this. And maybe some of the bigger companies will follow through with this. You know, Nike, well, not just shoe companies, but even like a purse company like Coach, for example, can authenticate their actual merchandise with the RFID tag that customers can then mint whatever it is, like an NFT. It doesn't have to be an image, but just an NFT in general. And they will be able to mint that and associate it with their wallet. And at that point, what that does, that actually authenticates that customer, that validates the merchandise. You can actually, if you're wanting to sell it or present it to someone else, they can tell that that is not a counterfeit, because they can go on the blockchain and see that that's an actual legitimate product from that company. And then at the same time, that company may be able to, say, for example, airdrop, coupons to any wallets that contain those particular NFTs, or perhaps in the store, a customer could walk in with that merchandise, have it scanned, and verify that they qualify for a discount or some other perk. So there's a lot of things that can be done with it. A lot of people are just thinking, when they hear NFT, they think just art and JPEGs, and it's not really the case. It's actually a lot deeper than that. But anyway, I digress. I wanted to show you the unboxing because I'm really excited. I got my package today. So now we ahead and cut the box open. So here we have it right here. I'll go ahead and pull everything out, one by one. So for one, we got the hats. I ended up getting 3 hats in general, so I may go ahead and give 2 of them away. As you can see, the tag is on here somewhere. There it is. I missed it. So there's the actual NFC tag. You can actually scan it with your phone and authenticate this, link it to your wallet on the blockchain. So it's pretty awesome. There's 2 of these hats. And then I also got a white one. So pretty excited about that. Let's throw those off to the side. I did not think about my space when I started. Sweatshirt. First of all, this is a really good material. Let me hold this up for the camera. It feels great. It feels awesome. And so you have a design. You just have like the Sneakerheads on the front. And then on the back, you got the design. And I actually scanned this one earlier just to kind of cheat a little bit. And it actually showed the colors of the shirt as well. So that was kind of, surprising. And quite interesting. So they really put like a lot of detail into what they're doing. So let's get that out to the side. Got another white one. So just different colors. This one's pink, Sneakerheads, and then got the nice hoodie, and then of course that on the back. So we will toss that off to the side. My goodness, I got a lot of stuff here. So, Sneakerheads shirt, really good material. I got the designs on the back. And again, we should have the tag. Yep, there's a tag right there on the bottom. So it's pretty awesome what's being done with this. So that was the black shirt. I like this color scheme of this one. There's like a gray and I don't know what's that, like lime, I guess, shirt. You know, that we received. And these are really good material. I wish I can kind of zoom in, but I don't have any assistance, you know, here in the studio. But yeah, this is not cheap material, that's for sure. It's not gonna tear apart on you in a few weeks. So yeah, they definitely put some they chose some quality shirts to do this. And there's something I'm feeling in here. Is this a tag or? Oh, okay, that's just a tag. Okay. So, and yep, written in German. Da, 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 da. Okay, yeah, just directions. So let's throw that to the side. I think there might have been another black one. Well, black shirt with blue writing. So I do like this shade of blue. Oops. As you can see here. There we go. And I like that shade of blue because, you know, matches my NFT. Or one of them, I should say. And another gray shirt. The green lettering. And then the actual, you know, design on the back. Now, if I keep looking off to my left, that's because I keep looking at my monitor. I kind of did this in a hurry and I didn't really rehearse anything. So that is the reason why I'm doing it. There's nobody with a gun onto my head, you know, on the side of the camera. All right, anyway. I get so stupid sometimes. And then the actual pins from Pintrill. So hold that up for you so you can see. And I don't know when I'm going to put these on just yet. Maybe pin them on like one of the shirts or the sweatshirt or maybe even the shoes or something. Oh, and speaking of shoes, let me show you something that I received some time back. Because of my involvement in the Sneakerheads project, I was able to enter a contest, a raffle as a matter of fact, and I ended up winning a nice pair of Jordans. So let me grab those real quick here. I didn't think about that. All right. So of course I've already opened the box. I haven't worn these yet, but I have taken them out and made a few changes. So I'm not much of a true sneakerhead like many of you people, but so I don't know if this is sacrilegious or not, but I took the stock laces off and I decided to get some gold laces. These like a leather you know, material that's just kind of gold plated type of deal, but I think they look really nice and I figured I'd do like a nice little pattern on the actual lacing. So as you can tell, I haven't even worn the shoe outside yet. It's pretty clean. I was probably gonna wait for like a photo shoot or a special occasion. This shoe is just so clean that if I went outside and they got dirty or somebody stepped on my foot, man, there's gonna be some lives lost. So thank you, Sneakerheads, for these shoes, as well as Watch and See, which is a project that I actually won this from in conjunction with Sneakerheads. So I wanted to give some shout out and some love to you. Thank you. I love them. I love them. I love them. And I'll get that photo shoot done for these as I promised. So I'm waiting for some other merchandise to come in. So yeah, really awesome. Love them. You know, got the StockX, you know, tag. So that is my haul from Sneakerheads. Just wanted to show it off and show some love back to the project that is showing love and working hard for its members. So Sam, the CEO, Zuckerberg, thank you. And thank you to the moderators. Thank you to the management, the artists. All of a sudden I'm forgetting the name, but you know who you are. So thank you guys so much. And I look forward to being a sneakerhead for the years to come. Peace.